Um, like to this day, like to ask for an apology to the people I've hurt since before. So the first people I would like to ask for an apology are the people in Cebu Sacred Heart. You know, it would, the workplace is my first job, my first love, and gives me passion to become a better instructor in the future. I've enjoyed every little time I spent with you guys, and I have spent my life in Sacred Heart the best. And I'd like also to ask for an apology to Ma'am Lala. Sorry, Ma'am, for um, frustrate giving me frustration. To the previous dean of Cebu Sacred Heart. I'm sorry, Ma'am. We've been friends, close friends, but time is just not enough to say the words that I would like to tell you. I'm very sorry to everyone there in Cebu Sacred Heart and CCMC, and to the individual that I have hurt a lot. I'm very sorry. There are just things that I cannot tell you at that moment. To my family, I'd like to ask for an apology for being not present in every Christmas and New Year. I'm very sorry, and I wish that I will be spending my time with you guys in the next years to come. I'm sorry for being wrong. I'm really sorry. I'd like to also ask for the individuals to give me inspiration and encouragement and help me a lot, and in return, I give them frustrations. I'm very sorry. Just can't, you know, I can just miss you. To my close friends, I'm very sorry, guys. I'm not really the person I think I am. But the best thing is I tried to become more. And I hope you understand. My students, sorry for being bad instructor, bad advisor, and a bad model. I'm trying to fake it, but I just can't. Real thing just go. But that's the thing that I have shown you is the best I had. To my parents, I'm really sorry. I haven't had the time to find you.